Hello! If you can't forgive someone, you stay tied to them forever. I held on to my anger for so long, thought I was punishing them. But really, I was the one in chains. Then one day, I just let it go. Not for them, for me. And suddenly, I could breathe again. Forgiveness isn't about them deserving it. It's about you deserving peace. Holding grudges is like drinking poison and waiting for them to die. So let go. Not because they are right, but because you deserve to be free. Thank you. Have a great day.